Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this JLAB Go Pop True Wireless Earbuds. So this is the teal color. It has 35 plus hours of playtime. That's including the battery in the case. So here is the contents of this box. So we have the charging the charging case. It comes with a charger, and then there's 3 sets of gel ear tips. So let's open it up. Oh, and before we proceed, here are the features of this AirPod. So there is the regular one, which is a little bit heavier. This plus version is a little bit it's smaller and lighter, and it has a longer battery life. So it has IPX4 sweat, splash proof, and Google Fast Pair. Okay, so here it is. Just the instruction. Let's see if there's anything else. Okay, so this is the GoPa Plus start guide, extra paperwork, and here is the, so it's really very small, which is nice. You can put it in your pocket. It comes with a USB-C charger, which goes in here when not in use. And here is the actual earphones. So there you go. So here is the instructions. So remove the tab and close the door. Remove on case, red light on case indicates charging. Remove earbuds from the case. So let's try that. Okay, so let's see here. It's not red right now, so it means that it's not charging. To sync it with your phone, one earbud will blink blue or white, indicating ready to pair with your device. So just go to JLAB Go Pop in your device Bluetooth settings to connect. So let's try that. So as you can